was cancelled, permission was cancelled, and the direction was issued to the registrar registration not to accept any cell deed if presented for registration. And this is resolution on 10th January. While in the notice dated 8th January, they are granting 7 days time. I submitted my reply on 16th. This notice was served on 11th. And nothing is mentioned in this that for which, what period permission was granted, what was the area constructed, and what application for compounding is to be filed.
You must be aware about that extra construction.
No, nothing, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see in the order, in the notice P8, there is nothing mentioned. And they themselves has granted 7 days time, but just after expiry of 1 day, the decision was taken. Notice was issued on 8th January, which was served on 11th.
Where is the building permission?
Sir?
Where is the building permission?
Permission?
That was granted you on 12/10/23.
Sir. That is page 79, my lord.
Annexure?
Annexure P12, my lord. This is compounding, and this is next page, the conditions as mentioned in that.
So there is a compounding fee. So you must be aware about how much the extra construction. You have applied for
My
compounding.
lord, I have constructed only as per the compounding. That's why in the notice they have not mentioned that this was the compounding area and you have raised construction so much area. Nothing in the notice. Even this is not mentioned that compounding was made for this area and on spot it is found. No inspection was conducted, no measurement was done. That's why it is not mentioned in the notice itself.
No, when original permission was granted to you for construction of this mall?
That thereafter the fresh permission was granted. Your lordship may kindly see P13, page 84. This is second number 2023. And about this permission, there is no whisper in the notice or in the resolution.
Where is the original permission on the basis of which you have made this entire construction?
What happened earlier, construction was started from the after permission from the town and country planning. My application before the council was pending. They did not proceed further.
Deemed permission.
Then deemed the permission, but subsequently I filed an application for compounding. They passed an order of compounding, my lord. Thereafter I filed for regular permission that was granted on 2nd November 2023, P13, page 84. This permission is still there. This permission is not cancelled by the resolution, my lord.
P12.
Sir, P13, page 84. This is 2nd November 2023 permission. After permission granted by the town and country planning.
So this has been recalled?
No, October permission was recalled, my lord. 12/10/2023. P12. P13 was not recalled. There is no whisper about the P13.
Yes.
And once in the notice itself, they granted 7 days time. They have to wait for 7 days, my lord. 8th, this notice was issued, and on 10th they have taken the decision. And in the decision also, it is not mentioned that what was the area for compounded, what is the report submitted by any of the authority. And this communication was made to the petitioner by CMO on 12th, my lord, by P1.
ठीक है, कोई काउंसिल है इनका यहाँ पर? एडवोकेट कोई रिप्रेजेंट करता है इनको?
I think Shri K.N. Gupta, senior advocate, is appearing. I will serve the notice. Dasti may also be issued.
ठीक है. Issue notice to the respondent. Then the council submit that. petitioner is ready to serve the respondent by way of omnibus notice. Necessary step be taken within 3 days. Let's next week. after
My
the
submission, they may take coercive step for
अभी तो
demolition.
ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं इसमें.
My lord,
Nothing has been
yeah,
said.
Your Lordship may kindly see, my lord, P1,
P1.
sir. P1 में उसका notice, उसका resolution का उल्लेख करते हुए, they have said
Not to entertain any sale deed.
not to entertain any
But
sale
they are
deed,
not demolishing. They are not demolishing.
because now my permission has been cancelled by them, so they can take action, my lord. My submission, no coercive step till next date.
ऐसा करिए till the next date of hearing status को भी maintained by both the parties.
Sir.
You will also maintain
Sir,
status
sir,
quo. Don't execute any sale deed.
Sir, sir, sir.
Next.
PL number 8. The order annexure P1 is under challenge, whereby the residential quarter which was allotted to me without giving any notice to me, without any reference to my allotment order, further allotted to another person. Kindly see annexure P2 on page number 16. Page number 16, annexure P2. This is an order of allotment of residential quarter to me. Basically, that quarter belongs to Water Resources Department, and being an employee of the Water Resources Department, my lord, that was allotted to me via annexure P2 in the month of July 2023. Then, my lord, via annexure P3, notice issued to me that I am in unauthorized manner occupying this quarter and I am not paying the electricity bill. So I, under that Lok Parsak Bedal Ki Adniyam. So I submit my response that I am not an unauthorized occupier. That was appropriately allotted to me, and I am paying the electricity bill also. So I also enclosed that electricity receipt, my lord. Now, subsequent to my response, by annexure P1, my lord, this residential quarter allotted to one concerning civil judge of Jora district, Morena, my lord. And in this order, there is no reference at all that without cleansing my allotment, this has been allotted. And my lord, there is a circular of the Water Resources Department also.
What happened to this proceedings initiated under Lok Parisar?
My lord, subsequent second notice was issued to me by annexure P5.
Huh.
In that notice, it has been mentioned that because the London collector has cancelled the allotment, therefore you are now in unauthorized manner occupying this quarter.
So you have submitted reply to this notice.
But I have submitted reply to this notice.
Any final order has been passed or not?
No final order.